Forget crypto, gold, and stocks. Why India's ultra-rich are now investing in land. Imagine, while the entire country is exploring new ways to invest in stock markets, cryptocurrencies, and gold-silver, a select few are quietly putting their money into something that's neither listed on trading apps nor stored in digital wallets. These are India's ultra-rich, individuals who can seal multi-crore deals with a single click and shift market trends with a single decision. These days, India's wealthiest aren't buying stocks, mutual funds, or Bitcoin, they're buying land. And this move isn't just about financial returns, it's about legacy, power, permanence, and social prestige. The thinking behind this shift isn't driven by just money, it's about vision, foresight, and preparing for a future decade where land is no longer just property, it has become a symbol of social and economic power. Today, we'll dive deep into this topic. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe so you are the first to receive all our latest video updates. Let's begin today's discussion without any further delay. Today's young generation is excited about investment. Some are putting their money in gold, others are doing SIPs in mutual funds, and some are betting big on cryptocurrency. But India's top 0.001%, which includes unicorn founders, royal families, and generationally wealthy households, think very differently from the crowd. They understand that real wealth is something you can see, feel, and control, something not dictated by market apps or government caps. That's why the ultra-rich are now focusing on real estate, not typical flats or apartments, but trophy penthouses, branded villas, and high-value land that not only retain value over time but have the potential for exponential growth. According to luxury real estate advisor 𝐟𝐨𝐥𝐿, India's wealthiest individuals are quietly building portfolios that begin at 75 crore and go up to 500 crore. These portfolios are not based on volatile assets like crypto or stocks, but are centered around land and branded real estate. Kapoor notes that these investors aren't interested in 3 BHK apartments or standard housing projects. Their focus is on weekend villas, premium commercial floors, and high-end developments that remain out of reach for the general public. Behind these investments lies more than just return calculations. They're creating structures of stability, legacy, and social prestige for future generations. In one of her LinkedIn posts, 𝐟𝐨𝐥𝐿 shared several case studies that reveal how India's wealthy are not just buying homes, they're acquiring massive commercial floors, trophy penthouses, leased corporate spaces, and properties in international locations. From Delhi, Mumbai, and Goa to Dubai and London, they own branded residences and investment-grade real estate. And these properties don't just sit idle, they generate rental income, liquidity, and value appreciation that often outperform traditional financial instruments. What's more, these assets come with an intangible benefit, social stature and entry into elite circles, something money may buy, but only smart investments can sustain. Take, for example, a case study she shared. A prestigious family from South Delhi sold their heritage bungalow worth 220 crore and bought a branded apartment in Gurugram for 75 crore. This wasn't just a home upgrade, it was a strategic move. Not only did they unlock 145 crore in liquid capital, but the rapidly rising property market in Gurugram pushed the value of their new home up by nearly 5 times. This is just one example of how ultra-rich investors are using land and premium real estate to achieve a new form of economic freedom, one that is far more stable and profitable than traditional assets like stocks or mutual funds. Kapoor says that such 400 to 500 crore real estate portfolios can be divided into 3 parts. First, branded apartments that are currently under construction. Second, commercial properties that are already leased. And third, strategic land that has future zoning upside. You won't find these opportunities on online property websites. nor do they come from cold calls or offers from agents. These investments happen through exclusive networks, private clubs, and family offices, where it's not money but access that matters. Being part of these networks is itself a form of prestige, and the opportunities found here often benefit not just one generation, but many to come. Now the question arises, why land? Why are India's richest people putting money into an asset that is neither technology-friendly nor liquid? 𝐟𝐨𝐥𝐿 says that real estate is India's last dynasty asset. It not only appreciates in value but also serves as a source of social prestige, privacy, and political advantage. While stocks and crypto can be fully tracked and regulated, land is still a law-reported but high-value asset in India. That's why major industrialists, politicians, actors, and global investors see land as a legacy. This asset provides them not only financial freedom, but also social recognition and political influence, something no other financial instrument can offer. According to Kapoor, another reason behind investing in land is influence and perception. When someone buys a multi-crore villa or a trophy property, they are not just buying a home, they are sending a message of power, status, and social acceptance. And that's what sets them apart from other investors. This investment not only yields cash returns but also builds a kind of social and political capital that no other financial instrument can provide. The asset grows slowly in value, but its impact is felt immediately, whether in business deals, political connections, or media headlines. In this real estate race, it's not just India's ultra-rich participating, global investors and NRIs are also involved. Indian families based in the UAE, Singapore, and the USA are now returning to buy land in India. They're investing in weekend homes and retirement villas in places like Delhi NCR, Goa, Pune, Jaipur, and Kodaikanal. Their motivation isn't limited to just one goal, it's a combination of legacy building, tax planning, privacy, and often even political access. This combination is what makes land the most powerful asset class. Today, real estate in India has once again reached new heights. With the rise of smart city projects, infrastructure development, airports, and metro networks, land prices are seeing unprecedented growth.
If our video has taught you something new, do not forget to like and share this video so that this information can reach others as well. Your likes and shares are a source of inspiration for us. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments. It will be our honor to answer your questions and listen to suggestions. And yes, if you like our content, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you stay connected with every new story. Thank you. GRT Business YouTube channel sources, news from various news agencies, opinion polls, and other public sources. We try to ensure that every report and summary is accurate and verified, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our aim is only to provide you with accurate information.